Hello there. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you hiring freelancers, okay, applicants who apply to my job post for a book writing job post about their number one passion. I'm just going to do some examples here. So let's get started. I'm in the right job post right now, and I go to the invite section. I don't go to proposals. I go to invite. I know who to hire. The people I hired are in the list of saved freelancers, 1,922 as of right now in county. So what I'm going to do, the people I want to hire, I'm going to click on hire. I'm going to open in a new tab. And I'm also going to do that for another writer right here, another freelancer here. And many of them, it's their first time project, okay? Working with me, and that's fine with me. That's a good thing about me working for my brand is writing for my brand is first time is friendly for first time writers, first time freelancers. Having said that, here's what we're going to do first. We're going to change the payment settings. Okay, it's 250, but we're going to do it to a minimum deposit. We always do that for all freelancers for five. The reason we do that is because unfortunately sometimes freelancers don't finish or they don't even start. If they're close to finishing and they need more time, I can extend more time for sure, anytime. But if they don't even start, I don't want to wait 3 months to get my deposit back. Okay. So we pay a minimum deposit, but pay full at the end. Not a milestone because we pay at end. When all work is finished. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say $5 right there, minimum deposit. Okay, and I got to do the same thing right here, $5. Oh yeah, by the way, we're going to click a due date. When is it due? Deposit lesser amount, $5. 3 months from now. 1, 2, 3, third. Okay, so that's that for one applicant. Let's do it for the other applicant. 3 months. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and not a milestone because payment we pay at end when all work is finished. Okay, so that's it for right now. Let me go into the instructions. I have a set of instructions that I usually send to my freelancers the very first time. A script. It's not instructions, more like a basic overview of what to get started. I basically send them a basic message like, hey, I want to work with you for this topic. Send me a table of contents. I'll send you more instructions after you accept the offer. That's it, okay? So this person's topic was okay, let's go back to it. Okay, improv. Okay, improv. Let's do this. Improv. Let's go to improv. What was your topic? I know I put this information more detail before. Topic is professional improviser. Okay, professional improviser. How's it going to? Hold on a second. Professional. To just call it improvising. All right. 101 tips to learn how to improvise. This is for actors, actresses. Improvise. Okay. Improve your improvisation. Improvising, and become an improviser. Okay. Improvisation. improvising skills. Okay. Let me do a different variation. Improvisation. Okay, skills and become a better improviser. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, so that's going to be the topic, improvising, how to improvise, and the best improvising tips. Start to finish, okay? So we're going to click on that. Let me quickly put this up on top. Boom, paste. Let's title of the book, okay? Got it. Cool. So I think everything's good to go with this freelancer. Let me go to this freelancer and get started. By the way, we got to click on that check mark. Okay, this freelancer's topic is embroidery. Okay, so let me put in the title first. Embroidery. 101 tips on how to do embroidery. Improve your skills and become a better embroidery artist. Or craftswoman, craftsperson. I don't know. We'll just go with that. The topic is embroidery. The best embroidery tips. Okay, got it. So let's use that as a title for right now quickly. Go to the top and that's the good title. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is the contract title is the book title because I explained in a previous video because sometimes Amazon asks for proof. Did I hire this writer for this topic, this book? And I show them the Upwork contract title and they usually, after that, that's proof right there. I don't have to send them, detailed screenshots. Just the contract title alone, being a book, it's a lot faster sometimes. Not exactly. I still send them the contract, but this is added, proof. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a hire, click hire to this one freelancer for embroidery and another freelancer here. I'm going to hire her for improvisation. Okay, a book about improvisation and a book about another topic. Okay, embroidery.